Hey guys, welcome to today's video. And today's video we're going to do a compression test on my car. As I said in previous videos, I am going to do full bolt-ons on my car in a tune. So just to be on the safer side of things, I am going to do the compression test just to make sure everything's good before proceeding with making more power. I think personally it's going to do great. The motor feels good, feels strong. Everyone I talk to and that's been in my car thinks so too. So we're just doing this basically as a precaution, just to be safe. And I'm gonna bring you guys along and show you yeah, so let's get going. Alrighty, we're here at the local Harbor Freight Tools, so let's go inside. Looks like we found our kit. Only found out for compressor kit. Pretty good price. Alright, we got our compression test kit here. Gonna get going and see what number she gives us. Alright, so here's the compression tester kit right here. These are the adapters for different size spark plugs and everything. So yeah. I'm gonna help my dad, so alright, so this is the first spark plug we took out, and from the looks of it, there's no corrosion, no nothing. It looks like she looks pretty good. Ever since I bought the car, I haven't done any I haven't changed them out, so this is a pretty good sign. I wanna keep going and take the rest out. Spark plugs are out. Here, all of them laid out. As you can see, all the plugs are have the same, like, I guess, color to it, no corrosion. That's really good. It's not wet, not burnt or anything, so that's a really good sign. That's piston 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, you can go ahead and crank it. That's fine. Okay, first compression reading is 100. First one is 100. Go ahead. That's good. Alright, so this one 90, 95, 100, around 105. These tick mark, yep. 105. And the first cylinder, on cylinder 4, I actually messed up at 110. So 110, 105. Alright, so we finished up the compression testing, and the results are not what we expected. I'm pretty sure the compression test gauge meter for the PSI thingy was off. Just because, here are the numbers. Cylinder 4 was 110, cylinder 3 105, cylinder 2 105, and cylinder 1 was 110. So the numbers are consistent, but if you guys know about these engines, are actually pretty high compression. Typically for the mileage on mine, it'd be somewhere in the low 180s, right around there. And as you can see, 110 is a big difference, so that would pretty much mean that my motor is blown. If you haven't seen my videos already, I literally just beat the shit out of it like a few days ago. So yeah, most likely, more than likely, their beater's off. So I'm actually gonna go to one of my mechanics' shop where they have a proper compression test kit, when they're gonna do it all, and then yeah, but I'm more than positive that the meter is off for the PSI. Like I said, the numbers were consistent, just way off. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later. I'll probably make a video, or if not, in this video, of me going to the shop, getting the numbers, because yeah, that's not good. See you guys. Alright, so I just got back from my mechanic shop, and the compression test came out to be 150 across all 4 cylinders. Considering the miles, it's actually pretty good. I know I said before 180 is what to be expected, but upon closer inspection and research, that's for like a lower mile engine, and this should be right where it should be, and what is to be expected on the compression considering the miles. So that's cool. I already ordered some parts for the car that are coming in, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, so that's really good news. I'm pretty sure you guys heard in my voice I was kind of like screwed, like damn man, I'm screwed, you know, because like that's pretty much a blown motor. On the compression readings we got on the other cheap compression kit that I'm gonna return. And yes, I know I said pistons, I meant to say cylinders on the when I said on the spark plug, so yeah, that's kind of a little oopsie on me, but thought I'd clarify that because I fucking sounded like a retard. So yeah, hell yeah. The next video is most likely gonna be I'm not gonna spoil it for you guys, but we're gonna be doing some kind of a bolt-on install on it, so stay tuned for that. And we'll got other stuff coming in too, some cosmetic stuff, so stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.